Making homemade pizza dough is a great way to elevate your pizza experience. Here's a simple recipe for making the best homemade pizza dough. The ingredients you'll need are 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1¼ cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The process to make the best pizza dough is as follows. Step 1. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, instant yeast, sugar, and salt. Mix them together until well combined. 2. Make a well in the center of the dry ingredients and pour in the warm water and olive oil. 3. Gradually mix the wet and dry ingredients together using a wooden spoon or your hands. Continue mixing until rough dough forms. 4. Transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface and knead for about 5 to 7 minutes until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. Add a little more flour if the dough feels too sticky. 5. Shape the dough into a ball and place it in a lightly greased bowl. Cover the bowl with a clean towel or plastic wrap and let the dough rise in a warm place for about 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size. 6. Once the dough has risen, punch it down to release any air bubbles. Divide the dough into desired portions depending on the size of the pizzas you want to make. You can make 2 large pizzas or several smaller ones. 7. Roll out each portion of dough on a lightly floured surface to your desired thickness. If you prefer a thin crust, roll it out thinner, and for a thicker crust, keep it slightly thicker. 8. Transfer the rolled out dough to a baking sheet or a pizza stone dusted with flour or cornmeal to prevent sticking. 9. Now you can add your favorite pizza toppings and sauce to the dough. Be creative and add your desired ingredients. 10. Preheat your oven to the highest temperature possible, usually around 475 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees, and bake the pizza for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. 11. Remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your delicious homemade pizza. Know that you can also refrigerate the dough for later use. Simply cover the dough tightly with plastic wrap and store it in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. When ready to use, remove the dough from the fridge, let it come to room temperature, and proceed with rolling, topping, and baking as mentioned. Enjoy and happy baking!